Hey everyone, Trenton Guthrie with Skyview Detroit. Welcome back to this month's newsletter. This February, we're here in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, checking out one of our residential renovation projects. Let's go check it out. Before we came on site, this was an open-air walkout patio space. We added the StruXure pergola, MagnaTrack screens, and bromic heaters to create a four-season entertainment space, connected right to the outdoor kitchen. One of the biggest challenges our client was facing was that he really wanted the space to feel intentional and seamless and not feel like a renovation. So this outdoor patio had gutters on the roofline surrounding it. We actually removed the gutter system, removed the fascia on the home, and connected StruXure's hidden gutter management system to take that water load from the roof and direct it off the patio. Another piece that makes the StruXure system so versatile is our ability to make angled cuts and square bump outs. Just sometimes that don't fit into that typical rectangular mold. You can see the roof line bumps out here, and we just cut around it. I'm looking forward to seeing you all again next month. In the meantime, if you need any more information, feel free to call, text, or email.